Good morning students, welcome to the statistics class once again. In the previous classes I have explained to you regarding the characteristics of statistics, right? And I have told that they are also called as the features of statistics. They are the qualities of statistics. They are the plural sense of statistics. Those are the definitions given by Professor Horace Sechrist. These are the things that I have explained to you all about those 7 points. Okay, now let's move forward to understand, right, what would be the functions of statistics. Okay, what it works, how it works. Okay, what work can statistics do? We should understand. Okay, so that's why they are called as functions of statistics. Okay, works of statistics, in other words, what work it can do. So this is a very important question also for 5 mark students. Okay, but there are so many points mentioned in the textbook, students. Okay, there are so many points mentioned. So all those I have summed up and put into 5 points, students. And if these 5 points, if you write, you will be getting 5 marks, no doubt. Okay, they will ask only for 5 marks, not ask for 10 marks, students. They will ask for 5 marks. These 5 points are very simple. Okay, so these 5 points I'm going to explain to you right now, and you will understand that, and it's easy to remember also. Okay, you may get a question of 1 mark also, you may get a question of 2 marks also, you may get a question of 5 marks also. Okay, shall we start? Right, functions of statistics. Point number 1, it presents the data in a definite form. It presents the data in a definite form. Presents the data that you collect, it will present to a common man. It will present to a person, right, who don't know anything about statistics. If you see all these figures, it will give him some idea, some clarity regarding the data. Always statistics presents the data in a definite form. So how do you say this? I have to explain this to you in a simple example, by taking a simple example. Okay, right, I will put a sentence here on the board. I will put a sentence on the board. They say that production of rice in 2017 was higher than in the year 2018. This is one sentence that I have made. I hope it's visible to you on the board. Production of rice in India, take it as in India or in Karnataka or in a particular region, okay, in the year 2017 was higher than in the year 2018. Right? Now, this is a statement. Do you think that this statement gives you complete idea what it is happening there? Okay, what is happening regarding the production of rice? Do you really think that with this statement you will get clarity? You really will get clarity? Do you think you will get a complete idea? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, do you think? I don't think so. Yes or no? You will not get it. You can only just say it is higher, sir. That is what they mentioned. Production of rice in 2017 is higher. They say it is high. But the question for you will be always, which will be just ringing in your mind, will be always, how much higher it would have been? They said high, but how much higher? So you understand this. Statistics will not be like this. Statistics of production of rice will not be like this. Statistics of production of rice will be always in this format, like year and production statistics of rice. Say for example, we'll start with 2015, say somewhere around 300 quintals. 2016, somewhere around 350 quintals. 2017, around 500 quintals. 2018, around 320 quintals. 2019, around 400 quintals, something like that. You see the statistics of production of rice is being given like this. We always present the data in this form itself, students. That's why these are all called as what? Aggregate of facts. Aggregate of facts. Aggregate of all what? Production of rice. When we present it like this, these are called statistics. And what statistics they are? They are called as production of rice statistics. They are called as what? Production of rice statistics. So very clear this. Now, based on this, you will come to know, looking at this, you will come to know very clearly, there is a value higher than in 2018, that is 500. 500 in 2017 and in 2018 320. We clearly see that there are 180 quintals more. Yes or no? You will get an idea now. You will get complete idea. You got the idea? What does this statement means? It presents the data in a definite and a clear form. It means that it will not create any confusion in your mind. It will not give you doubts or leave you doubts in your mind. It will give you a clear and perfect understanding regarding the data. That is what it says. It presents the data in a definite form. Hope you have understood, students, this. Right. We'll go for the next point. The next point says that it reduces the bulk of the data. It reduces the bulk, or in bracket I'll write it as volume of data or data. Reduces the bulk or the volume of data. What does it mean, students? When you collect the data, huge data is in your hand right now. Statistics will always help you to reduce the bulk of the data. It may go like this, students. We start classifying. While classifying unwanted data, we'll just throw it off. And what data is required, we arrange it in everything in a systematic, in a tabular form, like how we have represented, showed to you about the production of statistics. We always do it in like that, where the huge volumes of data have been grouped, okay, will be grouped and made it in a simpler form and reduced form, which will help any person to understand about the data. Okay, say example, if you start collecting the data about heights of a students, say 1,000 students are there in our college, and 1,000 students data of heights I have to collect, and each one will be different from the other. Every person's height varies from the other. Yes or no, students? It varies. So when I start collecting in terms of inches, right, some may say 65 inches, some may say 57 inches, some will be 65.2 inches, right, some will be 57, like that, 1,000, right, data, 1,000 values will be getting, huge data. What we'll be doing? How can we, when we represent it, when we write it like that, any person will have difficulty in understanding. Who is tallest there? Who is the shortest there? Right? And how many have this height? How many people have the lesser height? How many are short? How many are tall? All these things, again, confusions. But statistics will make it reduces, the size will be reduced, and it will make every person understand which will be the highest height, which will be the smallest value or the smallest height, and what would be the middlemost value. All these things will help us to understand huge volumes of data. Systematically, statistics will help us to reduce it, and that is what statistics does. It reduces the bulk or the volume of the data. The third thing is, it helps in formulating policies. It helps in formulating policies. Formulating policies. What do you mean by these policies? Right? Policies are certain rules and regulations. Who are the people, or who are the policy makers? The people in the government are the policy makers. Maybe a central government or a state government people. Those are the people who make policies. Policies for what? For the welfare of the society, for the betterment of the society, for the improvement of the society. Is it right? right, to take care of their health, or to take care of the facilities or the infrastructure, right? These are the policies they will create. And to create a policy, to create certain rules and regulations, they have to take the help of statistics students. They have to take the help of statistics. I will explain this to you, okay? Our college road is the busiest road. Our college is the busiest road. Okay, suddenly, all of a sudden, you know, the traffic police will come and start, putting some kind of humps there, speed breakers there, right? You start with the speed breaker near the circle and end the speed breaker near the, near the State Bank area. And we see there are so many, right, barricades right round, right? All they have kept along the footpath. All these sudden measures they have taken. And there will be a question, why all of a sudden these things might have happened? Why these things they have done? Suddenly they have done these rules, done some policy they have made it, that nobody should cross the road, right? They can't cross